Let's learn the topic geometry. First one, point. Point A, point B, point X. So a point indicates position and has zero size. Point label using capital letter like A, B, C, etc. Next one, line. So here point P, point Q. So line as drawn through these 2 points. A line is extending in both directions. So in the both direction the line is extending. So you can see the arrow mark. That means it will extend. The line has no end points and no definite length. It can be named by using any 2 points on it. So a line as can called as line PQ or PQ on top the line with the arrow mark. So that indicates line PQ. Next one, line segment. A line segment is a part of a line which has a starting point and ending point. It can be named as line segment XY or XY on top there is a line. So that indicates line segment XY. The length of a line segment can be measured using a ruler. Next one, a ray. A ray is also a part of a line. It has a starting point but no end point, and so it extends endlessly in one direction. This is indicated by making a point at one end and an arrow at the other end. It can be named as ray CD or CD on top the ray line. So that indicates ray CD. Next is angle. When two rays or two line segments meet at a common point, they form an angle. So here OA, OB, there are two rays are meeting at O point. So O is the vertex of the angle. The two rays or two line segments are called the arms of the angle. So here OA and OB are the arms of the angle. Next, parts of an angle. So here the rays BA and BC form the angle. The rays meet at a common point B. So that we called as vertex. BA, BC are the arms of the angle. So how to read this angle? ABC, angle ABC or angle CBA. So when we write, we can use this symbol, angle ABC or angle CBA. Also can name the angle using only vertex. So here the vertex is B. So before B we have to write the angle symbol, angle B. So if you name, we can name angle B also same. Next, measuring and drawing angles. So before that we should know about protractor. So protractor is the geometrical tool. So protractor. So here you can see the degrees anti-clockwise and clockwise. So inner scale and outer scale. So here the inner scale and outer scale they may get vary, but the clockwise degree and the anti-clockwise degree you should know it clearly. So it will be help to measure the angle. So this is outer scale. So that is clockwise degree. Then the baseline, and it is the mid center point. So this thing you have to know. Now how to measure an angle with a protector. So here you could see the angle AOB. So we are going to measure the angle AOB. Now you have to place the protector there, the midpoint. So the O is the common point. There you have to place the protector center point, and exactly you can see the degree. So the angle is in right direction. So it is in right direction. So the degree exactly it shows 40. So you have to use that inner degree, inner side what it has mentioned there, that you have to mark it. So it is 40 degree. Now you can see this angle PQR or RQP. So how to measure this? You have to place the protector, the center point on vertex Q. Now you have to see, now the outer degree you have to measure, because the angle is facing left side. So outer. So the angle is angle PQR equal to 50 degree. Now steps to draw an angle. So now when you draw an angle, you have to draw first line and mark the vertex first, that is the starting point that you have to mark, and place the protector on starting point on vertex. Then you have to mark the degree, whether it is 40, 50, 60 or 45, whatever you have to mark 40 degree, and you have to join that, you have to connect the line, that vertex and the degree, that you have to connect the line with the use of ruler. So this is how you have to draw angles. Next, types of angle. So first one, acute angle. So what is mean by acute angle? The degree which is less than 90. Here 62 degree. If the degree is less than 90, that is acute angle. And if it exact 90 degree, right angle. And more than 90, obtuse angle. And if it is, the degree is 180 degree, it is straight angle. And the degree is more than 180, so it is a reflex angle. And the degree is 160 degree, it is complete angle. So these are the types of angle. Now there is an worksheet. You have to work out, you have to find out the angle. So here the different angles are there. P, O, Q, that is first angle. So what is the angle? Measure the angle. Angle POC. So here 50, 30 plus, you have to 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So the degree is 35 degree. Next, POR. So angle POR. So measure the angle. It has crossed 90. So 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. So the degree is 95 degree. Then again POS. So the degree you have to measure. It has crossed 120. So 121, 22, 23, 24. 124 degree. So likewise you have to measure the degree, angle, and you should write. Last topic is lines. Types of lines. The sleeping line called horizontal line. Then that standing line, vertical line. Next, slanting line or diagonal. So this you can read, slanting line or diagonal. Then parallel line, perpendicular line, intersecting line. These are the types of learning. Thank you. These are the types of lines. Thank you.